What's up friends, Raju here. Do you want to know how do I promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads? It's my real life case study, step by step. I will show you how I promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads. So if you are interested to promote Warrior Plus products using Google Ads, then complete this tutorial and I will show you step by step. Then if you face any problems, any difficulties, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problems. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Warrior Plus, Zevizu, ClickBank, and many other high-ticket programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And I am working here over 9 years here. So, guys, let's complete how do I promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. And if you are interested and with affiliate marketing and you are a newbie, you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then check my YouTube channel. Get a lot of money making opportunities here. I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, guys. Now let me complete how do I promote Warrior Plus products with Google Ads. Now see why should you watch this tutorial, the worth of this tutorial, why you should complete it. You can start Warrior Plus affiliate marketing today. Okay, you can make 100 plus per day. It's depend on your invest. Okay, then 100% super targeted traffic. You don't need to use any software or tools. I will show you how you can do it perfectly. Then no affiliate marketing skills needed to apply this method. Then it's 100% newbie friendly. Most of the newbie want to get instant results using any software, using any tools, but it's not possible. Okay, no marketer can do it. But if you follow these right steps, then you can do it. Okay, and you just need 20 or $25 per day investment to run Google Ads, and you don't need to wait for getting results like any free methods. You invest money for traffic, so you don't need to wait for getting results. And it's an evergreen method. If you can get results on, then day by day you can scale up your business. Okay, so it's an evergreen method. You have to grab it fast. So guys, let's complete this tutorial and get the best result, I can assure you. Okay, now you see here some key things for any Google Ads. Okay, at the first, in this case, in this tutorial, at the first you need a Warrior Plus affiliate account. Okay, then choose the high converting products or offers. Then choose the then you have to write high converting review. Then you have to set up your Google Ads campaign perfectly, such as keywords, uh, important fact, set a bid, important fact, then title, important fact. Okay, I will show you a step by step everything, how you can create your Warrior Plus account, how you choose the best products or offers, how to write high converting reviews, and how to set up a perfect Google Ads campaign. I will show you a step by step. Okay guys, but first thing is fast. Subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra to get a lot of money making opportunities like this, a lot of money making opportunities. You see here. Okay, and if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay guys, and if you have any question about this tutorial, about this method, then comment in the comment box, and if you like this tutorial, then like it. So guys, the first key things, you have to create your Warrior Plus account. I know you have already an Warrior Plus account. Yes, and if you don't have Warrior Plus account, don't worry, it takes 1 or 2 minutes just needed to create your Warrior Plus account fast. It's the warriorplus.com, and you have to create your account first. Okay, see how to create Warrior Plus account. Just free sign up here. It's totally free to join here. Put your username, put your password, your email address, and you are not a robot. Then create account. Just create your Warrior Plus account, confirm your email, and that's it. Okay, then sign in to your Warrior Plus account to promote Warrior Plus offers. Okay, fine. Now you have to choose the high converting products or offer. How can you get high converting products or offer? Do you know? It's simple. Just check the vendor's profile and promote 5% vendor's product, 1% vendor's product. Not all the products. You don't need to promote any of the Warrior Plus products. You just need to promote number one vendor's product. That's it. Number 5 vendor's product. Okay, and you can get all the product launch calendar here, this manchai.com. Visit the manchai.com. You will get all the products calendar, just launch product, upcoming launch product, newly released product, big launch. You will get everything inside manchai.com. You see here all the big launch here. All launch here, and the end of this page you get just launched here. Okay, now I recommend you to choose upcoming launch product, then complete your Google Ads campaign, publish your campaign, but don't live it. Okay, after sending approval on Google Ads, for Google Ads, you get your approval within 20 minutes. Then pause your app, and when this product released on Warrior Plus Marketplace, then live it. That's it. Okay. Uh, if I choose this product, it's one of the number one vendors product, Profit Prime. Okay, if you choose this product, then visit here, and you will get the JB page. Okay, inside here you will get the JB page. Okay, just click the JB page and get all the details about this Profit Prime products about. Okay, you see here it's the JB page of this Profit Prime product, and you will get the sales page here. You will get all the JB documents here. You will get the affiliate link here. You see here, get your Warrior Plus affiliate link. When you click this get Warrior Plus affiliate link, you can get the request approval request page, and you can get your affiliate approval here. And then here is the demo, what's the benefits, everything you will get here. Then you can check the sales page here, and you have to write an high converting review watching this sales page or the JB page, and you will get all the details about this product inside JB page and sales page and JB document. So just check it and get all the details. Now the most important fact, you have to write an high converting review. Okay, suppose you start running Google Ads campaign, you get traffic, you invest money, you cost money, you get clicks, but no sales. And for this reason, you have to write high converting review. Now you can write your review on your own website, on your personal website. Then you can write review on site Google, you can write review on or your WordPress, you can write a review on Blogger. It doesn't matter you use your own website or other parasites. Google Ads approved any of this. Okay, but for looking professional, I suggest you to buy a .com domain or buy any your own domain. Use your own domain, then you can design your website, you can design your review post perfectly. Okay, now I already make review this product, and you have to write review like this. And if you don't know how to write high converting review, then check my YouTube channel, and I have to see, yeah, it's one of my tutorial, it's one of my video. You see here how to write a high converting products review. And in this review, I focus 10 key points, and if you can include all those 10 key points, then you can get much better and better conversion of your reviews. Okay, you see here it's my this tutorial.
See the video's logo right here? Well, instead of that, you just drop in your own logo. It used to be that.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my this new video. How What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my this new video. How to write a high converting product. Number 6, the traffic. You see here all the 10 key points inside my this tutorial. So I recommend you, if you don't know how to write an high converting review, you can watch this tutorial and try to make your review like this. Okay, and here is my review website, and I already write this review, this Profit Prime review. Really Profit Prime helpful or not? Okay, you can make your review like this. Then you see here it's my review. Okay, it's my review, and you have to write a this product's review like this. Now the final step, and the final step, how to set up your Google Ads campaign perfectly. Now I will run these products ads on Google and in this video. So let's start with me. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. I hope you must get better result. You must get better learning of affiliate marketing if you subscribe my YouTube channel and watch all of my videos, all of my new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, visit Google Ads, create your Google Ads account, and I know you already have Google Ads account. Otherwise, you don't watch this tutorial. Okay, it's so much easy and simple. Just log in your Gmail account, any of the Gmail account, and create your Google Ads account. Then you have to set your ads campaign. And let's start. I will show you step by step everything, all the important facts. Okay, now create a new campaign. Then website traffic, then search a result, not display result. Then you have to put your website, you have to put your website address, you have to put your review link. Okay, review post link, you can add this link here. Okay, then continue. You have to put your campaign name. It's, you can put your campaign name as you wish. You can put your campaign name, your product name. Okay, profit prime. Okay, then only search network, deselect this display network, and here is your location. Okay, if you choose all the country people, if you choose all the countries, then your bid will be 25 to 30 cents. And if you choose only the tier 1 country like UK, USA, Australia, Canada, Singapore, like these countries, then you have to set your bids 50 to 60 cents. Okay, now in this case I choose all the countries and territories. Okay, and if you want to choose any specific location, then click here and search it USA, then select the target, click the target and select the USA country. Okay, now select all countries and all territories, then the language. Okay, here is another option, location option, then click here and put it then click here present people, sorry, then click here present people in or regular in this located is this targeted locations. Okay, just click it. Okay, fine, then your location is okay, your language English, your audience. Okay, don't do anything here, and here is your budget 20. That's perfect. At the beginning stage I recommend you to make 20. That's enough. If you choose 15, okay, fine, then day by day scale up it and grow your business. And here's the bidding, and here is one of the tricks. In the case of choosing your bidding, select bid statistics, click here, then choose manual CPC. Okay, manual CPC, just click it, put it. Okay, fine, then save and continue. Now put your ad group name, it's your product name. That's fine, it's depend on you, it doesn't matter. Now you have to select your bid. If you choose all the country, all the territories, then make your bid 25 to 30 cent. And if you choose any tier 1 country, then choose your bid 50 to 60 cents. Okay, I choose all the country and territories, so I can set my bid 30 cents. Okay, fine, then you have to put your URL here, it doesn't matter, but you have to choose your keywords. Okay, you have to choose your keywords, and I select all the keywords here. I will show you. Okay, you see here this product name review, product name reviews, product name scam, product name software, product name preview, product name demo, product name orgs, product name download, product name buy, product name get, and make money online. Why make money online? If you don't do any traffic related keywords, then your ads never be published. Okay, Google asked you to fix any problem, and here is the problem and you have to fix it. Okay, just make money online, put on keyword, and when you published your ads, then pause this keyword. Just pause this keyword. At the end of this video I will show you how you can pause any of the keywords. Okay, now save and continue. Now the final stage. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Okay, it helps me to make more and more helpful content for you. Okay guys, at the first you have to put your final URL. Okay, it's your final URL, this review post URL. Okay, then you can use the display URL. Okay, you see the display URL. Okay, fine. Now you have to set your title. Okay, it's one of the title Profit Prime review, and set is position on. Okay, when you set the position on, then see here is your display URL and it's the number on position, that means first para of the title. Okay, fine. Then should I grab it, make it second para. Okay, and when you make the second para, then Profit Prime review, should I grab it. Okay, now you have to add 6 or 7 title like this. Then honest opinion. Okay, and make it third position. Okay, and when you make the third position, you see here it look like the first position Profit Prime review, should I grab it, the second, and honest opinion the third. It's all the title, and make this type of another title here. Okay, then you can make Profit Prime honest review. Okay, and make it the position on, again position on, position 2, position 3. Then does it scam or legit. Okay, make it second. You see here, and finally you can add any other title like this, and finally you have to set the description. Okay, you can set all the description from your review page. Okay, the most catchy 3 paragraphs, most catchy 3 sentence, just add to your description, and finally click save and continue. Then if you then you have to fix any problems, then Google will show you, and just do it, just follow the instruction. Okay, and I don't I don't know you can do it or not, but if you follow all that steps, then I can assure you, you don't need to face any fix. Okay, just save and continue and publish your ads. That's it guys, and it's all the complete tutorial for set up a Google ads campaign promoting Warrior Plus products. So guys, that's it, it's all the steps. At the first you have to create your Warrior Plus account first, then choose the best product from mansai.com and then make an amazing review, IKC review like this. And for this you can watch my tutorial how to write high converting products review, and finally you have to create your Google Ads campaign like this and save and continue, publish your ads and get results. So guys, it's all the tutorial. If you like it, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, upcoming videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.